All the popular people act like they owe each other something. It's honestly crazy. Boy, if you look at them wrong, you go into crazy town. I swear they'll bust you down like they busted your door down before they busted you down. You'll be hurting after 5 seconds. Popular girls are the worst and be mean to you, and then they will emotionally mock you. Don't get me started with a joke you look and you're gonna be smashed. 10 feet into the ground, they can't hold back, and they won't hold back. All you can do is just stand there and witness yourself being butchered. You'll never survive from that. You'll be 10 feet in the ground just laying there like you don't know what just happened in a blink of your eye. And bro, if they see you wearing Halloween costume like a cat, baby calling you a freak, they won't hold back, and they can't hold back. You will never survive unless you are the popular people. Stay tuned for other videos.